Hi Sagittarius, welcome to my channel Falcon Tarot. This is a weekly reading starting the week of 14th Feb. Before I go ahead with the video, a very happy Valentine's Day to all of you out there. How we'll go about with the video is, the top row is for you, the bottom row is for your person, but feel free to switch if you want. However, for me, the top row is always for the sign that I'm doing this video for. Now let's quickly begin. What I see for you here, Sag, is you have the Five of Cups, the Hermit card, and the Hanged Man. Your person has the Hierophant, the King of Cups, and the Page of Cups. Now, at the bottom of the deck, okay, I have the Eight of Cups, which means somebody walked away because there was maybe something that happened and it caused a lot of heartbreak, or something happened wherein somebody felt that it is best to go ahead and walk away. Now what I see for you here, Sag, is you have the Five of Cups. When I see the Five of Cups, it means a lot of regret that you are facing, or internally feeling right now, because maybe there was a situation that happened in this relationship where you felt that it's not going to work out, okay, and you felt that this love is not going to go in the direction that you had initially planned it for, okay. So you're looking at the previous circumstances and now you realize and you have a lot of regret about what has happened maybe in the recent past. And what you're not realizing, okay, is there are still those two cups. If you look at this particular card in the traditional tarot, the two cups are still there, okay. So if you have a situation where there is something that has happened, okay, you always have the option to go back and correct things, okay, but the only thing is, do you want to take the initiative? So what I see for you, Sag, is currently you have a lot of regret and you are in the hermit mode, okay. Now when a person goes to a hermit mode and you also have the Hanged Man, it means that the person just steps back, okay, and just shuts himself, okay. Now please note there's no gender in tarot, okay, so it could be a masculine or a feminine. So this person, okay, is currently in that zone where they have just stepped back and they are not talking, okay, they are just thinking and reflecting about what has happened in the past, okay. So if that's the energy that you are in right now, then go ahead and take time, don't rush, okay. Think through that this is something that you want to go ahead and do, and when you are ready, okay, have a very open-ended conversation with the other person, is my personal advice to you. What I see for your person is they have the Hierophant with the King of Cups and the Page of Cups. Now this person definitely has a lot of love for you, because I have a lot of cups energy here, which means they feel that emotional connection towards you, and they definitely want to take that connection towards a very committed relationship, okay. When the Hierophant comes, it's the Taurus energy, so they want to have a very committed relationship with you. And with the King of Cups, okay, the only problem with the King of Cups is they have a problem in expressing their feelings, but they have a lot of feelings for their partner, okay. So you might want to go ahead and give them some time, because not everybody is okay to express their feelings, but that doesn't mean that they don't feel. So everybody's love language actually differs, okay. Every other person has a different love language in this world. Now this person also wants to go ahead and make sure that even if they have started, okay, as a Page of Cups, they want to move and they want to go ahead and make sure that this actually moves to the King of Cups. So they want to progress this towards the King of Cups and eventually towards the Hierophant. Now this is something really nice, because it's like a gradual progression that I see from this person, that they want to start small but they want to build on it. Please remember that anytime in life, okay, stability is something that will happen only when you do things on a consistent basis, okay, and you take small steps towards the goal that you have. So if this person is aiming for a Hierophant, a committed relationship with you, they will start small but they will take time. So please don't misinterpret that, is my, again, the advice that I have for you. Now let me just go ahead and take one card here to see what's the intention of this person. The spirit, can I have one card here to see what's the intention of this person for this week? Can I have one card here, please, to see what's the intention of this person? Can I take one card, please? Okay, let's take one card here. The intention of this person is again a very good card, and that's the Ten of Pentacles. Now, Ten of Pentacles means somebody who wants to build a very stable relationship with you. They also want to ensure that you have all the finances in place, you enjoy life, you have all the good things in life. Now, that's a very, very positive card to get. Let's see what's the other card here. Okay, now I have the Three of Swords. Okay, now when the Three of Swords ideally comes, it means that there is a third party situation here, and that third party could be a job, it could be a person, it could be a family member, anything. However, okay, when you have a third party situation, a lot of patience is required, and maybe that's the reason why I see the Hermit and the Hanged Man, because maybe there was a situation where you felt that this is not going in the direction that you wanted. If you see over here, you also have the Justice card. Okay, so the intention of this person is whoever is stuck in a situation, okay, will have to go ahead and make sure that they come out of the situation and give justice to the other person, and make sure that once that is done, they also go ahead and build on that particular relationship and have a Ten of Pentacles with them. So that's a very positive card that I see for you. Okay, so don't get disheartened just because you see the Three of Swords. It's not necessary that the Three of Swords is there so everybody has a third party. That's not the case, and that's why I always say that please take tarot as a guide. Okay, only take what resonates, and what doesn't resonate, just let it go. Okay, now let's also go ahead and take one card here, which is the message from archangels, and one crystal which will help you in this particular situation. So the one card that I see for you is green tourmaline. Okay, I'm really sorry for the background noise if you're getting something. Okay, and the message for you is from Archangel Raphael. Now the message that I have for you from Archangel Raphael, I'll put it in the description box, you can read it from there. The crystal message for you is, do you believe in unlimited supply in all areas of your life? Are you attracting loyal friends and colleagues? It is time to realize that there is an unlimited supply of myriad opportunities and unlimited potential available to you. Decide what type of people you want in your life and know that you have the ability to attract them. So you have all the energy and you have all the intentions. Just use your intentions in the right format. Okay, attract positive people in your life and you will get all the good things that you want. Okay, now that's all I had for you today. If you like the content of the video, please like, share, subscribe. Please hit that bell notification. Until the next time, stay safe and love yourself first.